Mũthũrimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu ekinyitie mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya Senate ya gũthũrima ũhũthĩri wa kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ kũrĩa atĩtĩrithĩtie atĩ mbeca cia mũingĩ citiahũthĩkire kĩwatho mũbango-inĩ wa kũgũra mũtambo wa kĩrĩu wa SHA ũrĩa wahũthĩrire ciringi birioni 104.
I have raised issues concerning the budget for the procurement, which was not in place. I have raised issues on uncompetitive procurement because there was utilization of the specially permitted procurement procedures. I have raised issues on the undefined scope of works.
Maseneta makĩenda kũmenya ũrĩa riboti cia mũthũrimi wa mathabu ma thirikari ciagĩrĩirwo gũteithĩrĩria Kenya kũrũa na ũitangi na ũhũthĩri mũũru wa mbeca cia mũingĩ.
What happens when the Auditor General has said that management is in breach of law? That 104 billion has been utilized, but it has not been utilized lawfully, or it has not been utilized efficiently. Should Parliament second guess the Auditor General?
What kind of working relationship do you have with the EACC? Because if your report has found out there's a problem somewhere, another institution should pick it up, investigate, and run with it and ensure that there's accountability.
Why is it that your reports fall shy of making those strong recommendations that the law permits you to make?
Yes, we have pieces of legislation that have demarcated various responsibilities with regard to appropriate action. But the ultimate role and responsibility for action on the Auditor General's reports is with Parliament.
Hamwe na marĩa riboti ĩno yumbũranĩtie nĩ ũrĩa mũtambo ũyũ wagĩrĩirwo kũrĩhĩrwo ciringi birioni 10 o mweri.
Parliament is not invited to further consider whether the funds were applied lawfully and effectively. Parliament is just supposed to consider and debate your report and take appropriate action.
We need to relook at the process in the accountability ecosystem or the chain so that we know where are the bottlenecks and how can we solve each one of the institutions, how can we solve the bottlenecks.
Riboti ĩno ya mũthũrimi wa mathabu ma thirikari ĩrĩa ĩtarĩirie hamwe na mangĩ ũrĩa watho wagararirwo hĩndĩ ya ũgũri wa mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu ya marĩhi ma thibitarĩ ya SHA ĩthiĩte na mbere gũtumũra mawoni ngũrani kuma kũrĩ mũingĩ kũngĩ ũkĩingĩria ũteti o rĩrĩa Kenya marakaya nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga motungata makinyanĩru.
The Auditor General has done the diagnosis. It is now time for Parliament to do the prescription. And that prescription is not about reopening the case, because it's the Auditor General that has done the case. The role of Parliament now is to prescribe, and to prescribe the stiffest punishment, even if it means discontinuation of the system.
That the only people for whom SHA is working are the ones who are getting these commissions, the 2.5% from my monthly contribution. You have told us that they have to be paid on a daily basis. And yet the facilities themselves do not get similar treatment when they ask for reimbursements for their claims.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.